Welcome to Reality of Things. Today, we arrive to a lush valley of natural landscapes and stunning rice fields considered to be the hidden gem of East Bali. We treated ourselves to a couple nights stay at the Uma Duran Villas, also known as Uma Duran Cottage Resto and Spa. This property is located down the lower part of the valley in the heart of the rice fields. It's beautiful, surrounded by lush green mountains, rice fields, and farmland. A nice, quiet, and peaceful location where nature's beauty greets you the moment you enter the property. This is a hidden gem of Sidemen, which offers tranquil beauty to a small village with breathtaking picturesque landscapes, scenery, and surroundings.
路上呢，要路上路里 Sidemen 呢，要ไปบาหลี Indonesia จะน้อย要เกี่ยวกับจ้อ我จะ摸个จ้อให้摸จะป้าไหมจะป้าป้า要ป้าจี哦 This is our villa that we are going to stay for the next couple of days.
This villa offers an outdoor kitchen, an outdoor bathroom with shower, and a beautiful view. Waking up to the refreshing embrace of lush greenery as the mist hugging Mount Agung from the distance, sunrise spreading its golden light across the rice fields. I'm wondering if I'm dreaming or is this really my view for the next couple of days. Sidemen is known for its rice fields, with this infinite ocean of green surrounding the whole area, unlike Instagram famous Tagalalan rice terrace. If you're lucky, you will spot a few farmers smiling at you from afar. There's so much Balinese culture here, and it's unfortunate we didn't have enough time to discover in depth. I originally wanted to take a cooking class here but couldn't, so definitely there will be a next time. This location is pretty convenient for us to stay and visit other closer destinations. Sidemen is the name of a village in a district located on the east side of Bali, Indonesia. It's about 30 minutes from Ubud. To my surprise, most people don't know that Bali is just another island of Indonesia. And within Bali, there are many towns and small villages. Although Sidemen is a hidden gem of Bali, it is slowly getting known for its stunning natural beauty and relaxed atmosphere. Its incredible landscape getting recognized as Bali's newest destination. We are here in Sidemen mainly because it's home to the Instagrammable Gembleng Waterfall, a series of stunning natural infinity pools surrounded by lush green jungle. It's about 20 to 30 minutes drive from Sidemen village on a gradually climbed narrow paved road, which takes you through its beautiful farmland. have discovered there are two ways to enjoy this destination. Once you reach the main parking area for cars, a short 5-minute walk up this hill will bring you to the parking area for motorbikes, and that will take you to the top where the restaurant is. Then you can walk down a short staircase to the waterfall and pools. Or you can enjoy a longer walk through the local neighborhood, go through the gate, pay the donation fee, and go up the steep stairs. Gembleng Waterfall is a sacred site utilized by the Balinese to perform a cleansing ceremony to obtain physical, mental, and spiritual purity. The entry fee is donation. It is suggested 20,000 per person. We gave 50,000. You may give whatever you want. This is a gesture of respect for the locals who work hard to keep this place clean and safe for people like you and me, so that we can enjoy.
These stairs are no joke. There is no such thing as an easy access anymore. Oh my god. These stairs can be dangerous because they have nothing for you to hold on to. No rail, nothing. So just be careful while you're going up. And they do get pretty steep. Like, bé hay tiệp bé tua early nó chỉ tua tua nói ít là chỉ chống bộ nó lâu.
The waterfall might be tiny. Itself is certainly not the most impressive compared to the ones we've seen thus far. But this place is worth visiting because of the natural infinity pools on top of the falls. Most people who visit this place came for the setting and views. It's such a beautiful spot, and the atmosphere here makes you feel like you found your own little piece of paradise. Once on top, if you don't like the main pool, there are several others that are easy to get to. Rocks can be slippery, so take caution getting inside. Once you have lowered yourself into the pool, it's fairly deep, not enough to swim in it, but definitely enough to plunge in most of your lower body and side to cool off, as the water is refreshing. And it's big enough for 2 people, which makes it a perfect couple picturesque spot. After bathing and soaking inside the pools for that perfect shot, it's time to head up these final steps to enjoy the gorgeous views overlooking through the jungle to the valley below.
Look at this view, it's so beautiful.
Here are the reality of things. The road to get to the parking of the waterfall is paved but very narrow. Towards the last section before you turn into the village where the waterfall is, the road is big enough for one car going one direction only. If there are cars coming the opposite direction, one car would have to back up to make room for the other to pass. This may not work for a big tour vehicles with a big group. If you are going in a motorbike, you should not have any problems. Upon arriving to the waterfall and natural pools, first you must walk up a very steep staircase. This is not for people with really young children or elderly who have health problems. Although this whole area is well maintained, there are drop-offs that could potentially be dangerous for children. Please be aware that since this is a sacred site, and was only recently opened to the public by the locals, it may be closed for ceremonies for part of the day without prior notice. Respect the locals' beliefs and pack out what you packed in. Please do not trash this paradise. Overall, this place is sacred and beautiful, with breathtaking views overlooking into the valley of Sidemen. This is definitely one-of-a-kind gem tucked away high up the lushy jungle. Totally worth a visit if you ever plan for Bali. I would recommend go early. You have a chance of having the pools to yourself or less crowd. Even then, there's always people, so you will have to wait patiently for your turn and you won't be able to bathe in peace. If there are people waiting in line, you have to hurry, get in the pools, and quickly take your pictures and videos and move. I heard that sunset here is really beautiful too, but I can imagine how crowded it can get, so therefore I'll pass. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe.
Wow, it's so close. It's just right there. What happened? Get the coconut? For me? Okay, give to me, I buy. Two? How much is it?
50 for two.
50 for two?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're gonna cut for you and then just.
Yeah, nice.
Mas dah dua bang. Stay back.
Huh? They climb that rope, huh?
Yeah, stay back, bro.
Oh.
Stay back, sir.
The guy is climbing coconut. This is how I'm gonna get fresh coconut off the tree.
Stay back, babe.